Today I'm going to start exercise 2A, question number 5. Remaining parts, maybe I can't solve all the parts because as we know that yesterday I have solved one or two parts and all the parts are the same. We have to apply the same formula in all the parts. So here what we will do, we can apply the same formula here as well. That's why I'm not going to solve all the parts, but I'm going to solve few of the parts here. Okay, and you people have to apply the same formula here, and you people can solve all the questions by yourself. Okay, here before start solving the sums, I will request you to subscribe my channel and share, like, and I'm very thankful to you all for your this act of kindness. Really, thank you so much. Now, here, you can see that this is H 24 988, right? These two H and 24, these are the medians. 9 and 88 are extremes. Now what we'll do, we write it as 24 into H is equal to 9 into 88. So X is equal to 9 into 88 over 20. Now, 3 3s are 90, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24 and 8 11s are 88. So we can say the value of the X is 3 into 11, 33. Right? What we have done, we have write it, the product of means is equal to product of extremes. Same with here, these two are the means and these two are the extremes, right? These are extremes, these are means. Now we write it as X into 63 is equal to 12 into 42. Right, students? Now, as we are going to find the value of the X, we write it as 12 into 42 over 63. Now, same 9s are, same 6 are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, and 3 4s are 12. We have just cancelled the numbers, and 4 2s are 8. So here the value of the X is 8, here the value of the X is 33. Now, in question number 6, students, we have to write X ratio Y. This means we can write it as X over Y as X ratio Y. We can write it as X over Y as. Now you will see that here 5X is equal to 7Y. As we need X over Y, so we divide it by Y on both sides. Now here is Y and we need the value of the X, so we divide both sides by 5. So here 5 cancel, here Y cancel. So we can say that X ratio Y is equal to 7 ratio 5. And this is very easy, that he has given us X ratio Y. This means X or Y. So we will divide both sides by Y. And as we need only X, so we will divide on both sides the coefficient of the X. Now here, this is also the same, that we will write it as 3.2X, 1.2Y. We divide on both sides, 3.2Y, here also 3.2Y. So we write here. So we write here, X over Y is equal to 12 over 3.2. Cancel the decimals. So we have 2 6s are, 2 16s are, 2 3s are, 2 8s. So here the value of the X is 3, X over Y is 3 over 8. Right, students? In this way, we have solved both parts of these. Now I'm going to solve the next two parts. here exercise 2a, question number 6. Now here we have the next two parts. We have 2 into 1 over 2x, 2.5 x ratio 4.5 y, right? So what we'll do here, it is here, this is part C, right? Part C. So we can write it as 2.5 x is equal to 4.5 y. Not is equal, it is ratio. As we have to write this in the form of x over y or x ratio y, it is same. So what we'll do, we will divide this by 2.5x by 2.5y on both sides. Here y cancel, here 2.5 and 2.5 cancel. So we write it as x over y is equal to 4.5 over 2.5. 5 decimal is cancelled with the decimal, so we have x over y is equal to 45 over 25, or you can write it as 5 9s are and 5 5s are. So the answer is x ratio y is equal to 9 ratio 5, or x over y is equal to 9 over 5. Okay, now I'm going to solve the next question, dear students. Question number 7, right? Now here in question number 7, we see that the shopkeeper blends 3 types of tea, A and C, A, B and C in the ratio of 6 ratio 4 ratio 7, right? So A ratio B ratio C. So what is the ratio? 6 4 and 7, right? We see if the mass of the tea C is in the mixture is 28 kg. Mass of C is 28 kg. This is only for the C, right? So what we have to find the difference of the masses of the other two types of the tea, right? Differences in masses of other types. This is the question. But before finding this difference, first of all, we have to find that what is the total mass of the that tea, right? So when we have the total mass of the tea, then we can find the mass of the A and B as well, and then we can find the difference. Okay, so we suppose that net total mass of T is X. So as in the unity method, what we do that we can say that total is the X. So what is the ratio of the X? 7 over sum of the ratio is 17, 6, 4, 10, 17 into total mass. So from here we can find the total weight. Here the mass of the C is 28, right? So X is equal to 28 into 17 over 7. So here 7 4s are 28, so 4 into 17, so we have 68 kg is the total mass of the T, right? And from this 28 kg is the weight of the C. Now we find the weight of the A and B. Mass of A. So ratio of A 6, sum of the ratio 17 into total 68. So 16 4s are 68. So it is 24 kg. Mass of B, this is 4. 4 over 17 into 68. 17 4s are, so this is 16 kg. Right? For the 16 kg, now we saying the difference of other two type of masses. So difference of A and B, that's 24 minus 16 is equal to 8 kg. This is the answer. Hence, you people have seen that how when the mass of one type, means from A, B and C, the mass of one type is given and we have to find the difference in the masses of the other two types. So for this thing, so here what we have must to do that we should know the total mass of the T. So as we don't know in this question that what is the total mass of the T, so we suppose here the total mass of the T is X. So ratio or sum of ratio into total mass is equal to mass of the C. So as mass of the C is given, so we have write it here. Here 7 over 17, when it goes to the other side, it is 17 over 7. Whereas we will write here reciprocal of this left hand side. So we cancel them, we have 4 17s are 68. Now mass of A ratio over sum of ratio times total mass. Mass of B 4 over 17 into 68. So it is also 16 kg. So what is the difference? Difference is 24 minus 16. Oh, so this is the 8 kg. Now we are going to solve the next question before now here what we will do, it is given that the ratio in the question number 8 he is saying that the ratio of 3 lengths is 10, 15 and 8. So we'll find here sum of the ratio. So here sum of ratio is 33, right? Shortest length is 2.4 and he is saying find the difference of the other two lengths. So if the shortest is ratio is 8, so we write here 8 over 33 and we suppose let total length is equal to x. 8 over 33 into x is equal to 2.4 for the shortest, right? As we find total, so 2.4 into 33 over 8. We remove this one here. 8 3s are 24. So x is 99 over 10. We can say it is 9.9 meter. This is the total length. You can say this is total length. Right now, the remaining sum of the ratio, sum of the ratio multiplied by total length is equal to over 10, we cancel, 10 cancel, 33 3s are, this is 3 meter, and 15 over 33 into 9.9, 10 cancelled, 33 3s are, 15 3s are 45 over 10, so this is 4.5. So the difference, he has asked us from that, what is the difference of the other two lengths. He has given us the length of one piece, that is 2.4, and we don't know that what is the length of the other two pieces. He has given us the ratio of the three. So what we have done, we write there is a ratio, sum of ratio. So from the unitary method, we have find that ratio, sum of ratio times total is equal to 2.4. This is already given. From here we have find the value of the x, and when we have the total length, then we can find the other two lengths as well, that the ratio, sum of ratio times total, that is 9.9. We have find the lengths of other two. Now I'm going to find the difference. So the difference is 4.5 minus 3, so this is 1.5 meter. In this way, today we have finished exercise 2A. From tomorrow, inshallah, I'll try my best to solve all the exercise 2B. Before leaving, I again request you people to go through the video again and again, because when you people will first time you people go through the video and watch this and go through this method, maybe you feel a little difficult here, but when the second time and third time when you people will go through it, then what happens that you find this, that this is a very easy math and easy questions, right? Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel as well. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.